What's up, you guys? Welcome back and welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 5 different products that are under $100. So today's video is actually going to be really cool. I do have some discount codes for you guys on some of the products. And also this video may also help out if maybe your significant other is trying to find you a gift or something like that. This video may even be for them. It's actually affordable and it does change the look of the truck. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it and I'll show you what I'm talking about. So the first product I'm going to go ahead and show you guys is actually right here in the front. So looking at this right here, this actually does protect your paint from like rock chips and stuff like that. And it gives it a cool little bit more aggressive look, which is my WeatherTech hood visor right here. And it is, I believe, about 60 bucks. So it's super affordable. It's super easy to install. And if you guys want a how to install video, go ahead and check out the description box below. I'll also make sure to link this product. Let's go ahead and now move on to the side. So the second product that I have right here, this is probably going to be the most affordable product that you can purchase in this video. And it's going to be this side marker here and then the passenger side as well. It only runs about $10. So that's actually super crazy cheap. I have a how to install video as well. It's in the description box below. I know Miso Customs does make an actual turn signal. That's really awesome. So if you guys want to purchase that one's about 100 bucks. But as far as for these are actually just overlays that went over the turn side marker. And if you guys are curious, they still work. You can still see through them. It doesn't obstruct any type of view, but they are actually overlays for the driver's side, passenger side, 10 bucks. Looks really good if you want to kind of black out the chrome piece right here. But yeah, that's it. If you want to check it out, description box below as well. So the next product that I have for you guys, it's going to be the third product. This one runs about 40 bucks. It's also something with like a blackout process if you guys do hate chrome like me, which is going to be this Tacoma Overlay. And it's also for the passenger side Tacoma emblem. And it's also going to be for your tailgate where it says V6 on it. It also overlays over that. So what I mean by overlay, it literally just overlays over your chrome emblem to kind of black it out. I know right now it looks kind of gray and ugly because the truck is really super dirty, but when it's actually nice and clean, it's like a nice black matte finish. So I also have install videos on that. If you want to check it out, description box below, along with the purchase link. So let's go ahead and now move on to the back of the truck and show you something else. So the next product that I have for you guys that you guys can purchase that will kind of give your truck a different look from back here. It's going to be the Tacoma tailgate insert, which is right here, the Tacoma. It looks really good because, as you guys know, on the Tacomas, it doesn't come with that. It just it's plain and it just looks boring. So this actually adds like a nice flavor to your vehicle, whether you guys like them in a different color or anything like that. For me, I like them in black since I did black out the truck. That's why they're blacked out. But this company is actually from TUFSKINZ.com. I do have a discount code through them. They make a lot of different products for the Tacomas as well. They don't just make Tacoma tailgate inserts. They make stuff for the interior, stuff for your gas holder. The company makes a lot of different products. So if you do want to check them out, I do have a 10% off discount code. You could check that out in the description box below. I also have a how to install video if you want to check that out. Super simple, nothing too hard about it. Let's go ahead and now move on to the fifth product, which I think you guys might like. So the next super crazy affordable product that you guys can purchase, I can't remember if it's like 30 or 40 bucks, something like that. It may be even cheaper than that, but it's going to be the bed decals. So as you could tell, the ones that I did get are matte black, but this company actually offers them in a variety of different colors. So say you guys like red or you have red rims and you want to match with it, you could go ahead and get it in red. Say you like blue, etc., etc. As far as for me, like I had said, I like blacking out the truck, so that's why I did get them in black. And as you could tell, my truck is an off-road, so I did get the TRD 4x4 off-road bed decal, but they do have different ones. They have them for the sport, they have them for the non-4x4s, they have them for different vehicles. I also have a how-to install video on that if you want to check it out, description box below, along with the purchase product. But I actually like this. It gives it a good clean look. and it being matte black like this, at night you can't really see it, so it's even more like subtle versus it popping and looking all crazy. Those are the 5 products you can buy that are under 100 bucks. Before we end today's video though, I'm actually going to show you like 2 more products that are 100 bucks. These are just bonus items. As I said, this video may help out someone that's looking for a gift for their significant other. So let me go ahead and show you guys those products. And these ones also kind of make the truck look a little better in my honest opinion. So looking right here on the windows, if you guys can tell right here and right here, these are actually AVS window in-channel window visors. These ones here are actually, I think, about 40 to 60 bucks on Amazon.com. So if you do want to purchase some, the cool thing about these, when it is rainy, you can lower your window a little bit and still get that fresh breeze. And not only that, if you see a Tacoma without them versus a Tacoma with them, in my opinion, I think it looks better. It gives it like a little bit more aggressive, cool looking look. So if you guys do want them, also how to install video, description box below along with the link. Something you are going to also notice, these window visors actually come with a white logo that says AVS. When I installed them, I actually got some alcohol, some rubbing alcohol, and I just kind of rubbed it off just to kind of give it more of a blacked out look. I didn't really like their logo popping out in white, so that's why I took it off. So that's just the idea if you guys want. Another cool thing you guys can purchase, and this is from my good friend Reimagined Wraps. If I'm not mistaken, it's under 100 bucks, and that's going to be right up here, which is the windshield banner. The cool thing about this is you could get it in a variety of different colors. You could get it in designs. You could get a cheetah pattern if you guys like cheetahs, I don't know. But that's another cool thing you guys can purchase that's under 100 bucks. And I believe even with the installation, I may be wrong, but you guys can hit them up. I'll make sure to link them down below. I believe even with the install, it should be under 100 bucks. But yeah, I mean, it's awesome. It looks great. When you're inside the vehicle and it's really sunny out there, kind of helps out with that as well. And it just gives it a nice subtle look. It looks really good. So as you can tell, all these products under 100 bucks, and it does change the look of the truck. You guys can see it if you look at yours and you don't have it versus people that do have it. You'll see what I'm talking about. So if you guys did like today's video, if you guys can, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. The next one might be me changing on my tail lights, so stay tuned for that. I do have a lot more products to install onto the truck, so make sure you stay tuned for that as well. Once again, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.